starting my departure now to Deft. Okay, this is apparently the situation with the things that I need to pack in this suitcase and that suitcase. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to fit it all. Probably this box will help me. And it's packed. This is how I live in my room. Breakfast before leaving. I hope that it will go smoothly. I have 4 bags. I'm a little bit scared, but it will be okay. So we are going. Well. Yep, this is the situation. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god, I'm just drop all the luggage and just wait for my flight, buy some sweets. So half of this trip already done. Yay! Well, what I can say, I get really lucky because my train was broke, so I need to get off the train in the Tilburg, what is the city between Eindhoven and Delft, where I'm going right now. And it was announced just in Dutch. That was really funny, but hopefully I get really nice help, and people around me today is really good. I couldn't imagine this better actually. So right now I'm waiting for the next train that hopefully will go, and finally I will have arrived to my new home for the next couple of months. It's one of the stories that is like funny to tell, but it's really not so fun to live, apparently. Hopefully right now everything will be okay. It was just a broken train, and the second broken train, and the third broken train. Sounds like a good start. Well, I definitely didn't expect that I will come back so quickly. We'll see. You will understand the size of the joke. My new bathroom, look at this. It's fun. And this is my new room, look at this. I will change this lamp. Here will be some upgrades from the designer. I'm a bit scary of this space between me and the ceiling. I love you, and I say you hello from my new home right now.